BTC USDT 5-minute time frame. Sell signal. Book your profit. Again, sell here. Book your profit. Sell signal. Book your profit. Buy here. Sell here. Book your profit. Third take profit done. Buy signal. Book profit. Again, buy here. Book your profit. Buy signal. Book your profit. Buy signal. Book your profit. Sell here. Again, sell signal. First, take profit done. Second, take profit done. Third, take profit done. Buy here. Book your profit. Second take profit done. Are you get this indicator? Please contact us on WhatsApp.